Okay people, so there you have the peas soaking away. I'm gonna add some salt to it, maybe about a tablespoon of salt, like that, just to taste. Yes people, okay, so here I have the pot of peas with some salt, and I'm gonna add a tiny bit of thyme for now, and 2 cloves of garlic, just like that, for flavor, while this peas is cooking in the pressure cooker. I'm also gonna add a little bit of turmeric because I respect this spice so much. It just gives extra flavor to everything, and it's so good for your health. So just a little teaspoon of turmeric. Alright, so there you have it people. You will see the process. I'm going to let this peas cook in the pressure cooker for approximately maybe about 15-20 minutes. Let's see, we'll test it afterwards. Alright, and then I'm going to prepare the rice. So now we're going to just get the rice ready. I'm on basmati rice here. It says it cooks in 10 minutes, so shouldn't be long. As a rule of thumb, it's always good to wash your rice to get all those extra starch out of it. Alright, so here it goes. I'm using approximately about 3 cups of rice, or just under half a kilo. As you can see, there's a lot of white froth coming up on the water. That's because the starch from the rice. And from my research, one of the reasons why the rice sometimes gets sticky so easily is because of all the starch level. So you want to just get that starch out. Hopefully my mic is working a bit better people, because my audio quality is very poor in the videos. Really, if anybody have a solution to this, please drop me a comment. Yeah, so that's how I do it. I'm gonna give it another rinse. And then I'm gonna just leave this rice to soak while the peas is cooking in the pressure cooker. So it's gonna set this rice aside to soak for a bit. As you can see, that rice is super clean now. The water is crystal clear. You can see the grains of rice again. You're not just seeing all the starch on the top. And I will show you what's going on over here. So over here we have the pressure cooker, which I've set at number 2. Yeah, I think I've done that right. It's all sealed up nicely, and it's the peas in there doing its thing. So I'm going to leave that for a little while, and then I'll catch up with you soon. Alright people, see you in a bit for the next side of this cooking. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel. Supposed to be traveling and exploring places, but at the moment I'm grounded people. So yeah, that's what it's gonna be for a little bit. In the meantime, we're just gonna do some bubbling in the kitchen. Alright, see you soon. Peace out. Yes, people. So the peas is in here doing its thing. Gonna give it another few minutes, maybe another 10 minutes or so. It smells really nice, people, but it's not finished cooking yet. It's a lot of peas, but that's why I love my peas. That garlic and that thyme just give it such a nice flavor. Right, it needs another 10 minutes or so. Another 10 minutes or so. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme. I love the nice smell of fresh thyme. Nice. And I'm also, there's some spring onions, scallion, that I've cut up a little bit. Add that there. So this is the brand I have, Island Sun. As I said, it would be so much better if I had a real coconut. And you can buy some coconut in this country. You'll have to buy it from one of the supermarkets or some shop. So I've shaked this coconut milk really well, and I'm just going to add that to the, wow, nice and rich texture, creamy, to my pot of rice and peas here. So add the rice that I had soaking. Yeah, for the rice, boy, throw it in. Oh, yeah. Give it a little mix while I'm stirring it in. Look like too much rice, people, but I'm gonna make more than I need so I can actually freeze some of this rice and peas. Yeah, on planet Earth, apart from, you know which bubble. Yes, good. So yeah, but this bubble is a nice bubble. That's a bubble that I can't wait to burst in my mouth. That's nice. That is really gonna be tasty. Just gonna put a little bit more salt. If I was in Jamaica, I'd pick this pepper from the tree, but my wife have little bit pepper. It does look Scotch bonnet, but I'm gonna drop this little pepper in it for even more flavor. Alright, people, we're good to go. So that's now gonna cook until the rice is cooked. The peas is nice and cooked already. It's not so soft that it's gonna be mushy. It's almost like an al dente pasta. Right, so should we bubble this up? Yep, light it up, boy, and leave it for about 15-20 minutes, maybe more, maybe less. Okay, see you when it's done. People, if you could just smell that smell. Oh gosh, so much flavor in this rice and peas. Right, it's almost done now. You don't want to be mushy rice and peas. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to reduce this flame to low. Excellent. Leave that to do its thing. I'm also going to put some foil paper over the pot. Watch out, people, some foil over the pot just to help it steam a bit. Yeah, all right, thank you so much for joining me. on my channel. This is Sean right here from Exploration. As I said, if it's your first time to my channel, please remember to press that bing subscribe button. Alright, so I'm going to leave that now to just simmer down and for everything, the flavors to gel together. See you in a bit. Okay, people. Finished product, people. Rice and peas. The only thing that's missing now is the chicken.
Government is trapping the system. Government is trapping the system.